Hey everyone, if your Vercel project is breaking in 2026 because of environment variables like API errors, build failures, or blank pages, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Vercel environment variables issue step by step. First, open Vercel and go to your project settings, then open the environment variables section. This is where all secrets and keys are stored. Next, check for missing variables. I mean, if even one required API key is missing, your application may break. Now verify variable names carefully. Even small typos or case differences can cause errors. After that, compare your local .env file with Vercel settings. I mean, both must match exactly for your app to work. Next, check the environment scope settings. Make sure variables are set correctly for production, preview, or development. Now, redeploy your project after making changes. I mean, environment updates won't apply until a new build is triggered. After that, if issues continue, delete and re-add the variables. Sometimes cached values can cause hidden problems. Finally, make sure your framework is correctly reading environment variables, especially in Next.js or Node.js apps. I mean, wrong syntax can break everything. So yeah, that's how you fix Vercel environment variables issue in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your app should work properly again. And